Welcome to Fluffy Paws.
Do you want to eat dinner? Do you want to eat together?
Top 10 dogs that I would pet?
Oh, how sweet it is.
None. Because I love only Bella, and I only want to pet her.
Someone's a little bit mad at me today. Yeah, I know you're mad. Because we went to Starbucks for a puppuccino and they were out of whipped cream and apparently it's my fault. It's not my fault.
Ah, addio. Hi. Ah! Fucker.
Oh, you here? All right, y'all ready? Yeah, but you don't want that, and here's why. It also fucks you.
Are you okay? Whoa, that was quite the little growl.
Hello? Where? Chill. Scary. Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you? Yeah, what are you?
I swear to God, nobody believes me that there are sewer cats in this town. But a cat just went into...
I don't know if anyone else has like a scary dog like mine. Like everyone's scared of him, but like he's such a baby. Like look at this. He's baby.
I see red, red,
Oh!
If you want more awesome pet videos, click on this.